Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Casio slide clasp. So these metallic clasps that you can find on most Casio watches that have a metallic bracelet. So what we are going to need is a tool that can fit within right here. So as you can see, I can use a flat screwdriver, so a small to medium one that can get inside this hole. I can even use a basic watchmaker tool, as you can see, the spring bar removal tool. And what you want to do is to insert the tool right here, lift it up, so we have this flap that can easily be lifted up, and then we can slide the clasp up and down depending on where you want it, and then we are going to push it back in. In case it is very hard to push it back in, you can even use the same tool at the end in order to put it back in, so to apply some pressure the other way around. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. You can do this, as I mentioned, on most Casio watches. And in case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, let me know if you found this video useful. If you would like to see something else on the YouTube channel, make sure to also check out the basic watchmaker toolkit in case you want to have all of these tools in order to replace batteries, to adjust bracelets, to open snap-off bags, screw down bags, and a bunch of other things as well. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.